guys, it's Natalie back with another video. Today I'm going to be making air dry no bake pie. So last video, cornstarch kind of got everywhere. So I pre-made the cornstarch in my bowl, which is 1.5 cups of cornstarch. And I also pre-measured my glue, which is 1 cup. It was 2.5 fluid ounces. So adding in my glue. I don't have a tablespoon, but I have half a tablespoon, so I'm gonna add in 2 of them. I have my 1 cup, and I'm gonna use that to make sure that I don't get any extra inside of my bowl of ingredients. And then you have to add in 1 teaspoon of lotion. I don't have a teaspoon on me right now, so I'm just gonna put in half of a teaspoon. Finally, you're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of baby oil. So then you're just gonna mix all the ingredients together. Mama's. So we had to take this to the kitchen because things got messy in Mom's office. It worked after lots of hand washing and cornstarch and baby oil. Now we're gonna put the actual recipe that actually worked down below. So, bye.